Riri uria wari munini wa president Raithi Gachagua arathie na mbere gukumithia tabarira ya waki wa nyumba cia Raithi iria rakinyanirio ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Riu minister wa migunda waki na wikaro Wahome ni ayumiritie gukumithia aria maraingirio uteti tabarira-ini ino, akiuga irongoreirio gucenjia miikarire ya Kenya. Kuringana na Wahome, aria marahura waki wa nyumba cia Raithi ni andu eyendi kuona marenda kuima a Kenya a gikiro gia thi mweke wa guikara nyumba njega amu thiini wa mubango uyu thirikari itanyite kunina icagi cia maratathi matauni-ini.
I therefore want to just tell Kenyans, because they have listened to a lot of things, negative things, and most of the people speaking against the affordable housing are people living in maybe 3, 4, 5 bedroom mansions in areas that you can call affluent, areas that you can call upmarket, comfortable spaces, comfortable living spaces.
Agiteaniria miario ya Rigathi ati wona mung'ethaniro ugikahota githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 ni makanina tabarira ino. Wahome ugite ici ni iroto cia kuima Kenya kihoto giao gia gigatiba.
There should be no argument. Whether you want to use whatever politics you want to use, whether you want to use threats that when you come into power, the government will scrape this, you have to discuss with Kenyans.
Agitariria haria waki wa nyumba icio kinyite, minister ugite thiini wa mieri iri ukite thirikari ni gukorwo ikinengerana nyumba 1,080 kuri aria marikitie kwiyandikithia na nyumba makiria ni gukorwo igirikite.
By June, I want to promise Kenyans more units will be ready, because Wahome will be ready, which is the NHC project. Nyandarua may be ready also. We will also have Kirinyaga, which is complete, about 95% complete, and Nyumba. All these projects will form part of the units that will be releasing within the next 60 days.
Oho ni ateteire kioneki gia thirikari gia gwaka nyumba 200,000 o mwaka, akiuga undu uyu ni wikururitie kumana na mihinga iria tabarira ino yatunganire nayo kiambiriria-ini, no riu maundu ni manyorothe na gukinya mwaka wa 2027 thirikari yahota gukorwo yakite nyumba 1,000,000.
How come then we are behind? We have fallen short of the numbers of 200,000 units. It's an important question. You understand that there was a snag in the beginning and there was disruption of court cases. The program was not streamlined. The construction, the procurement systems, because we must follow the law. And therefore, even to raise enough money, the beginning year, that is 22-23.
Riu Wahome ni oriti ya Kenya matikaguoyo hiyo ni aria maraingirio uteti mubango-ini uyu na meyandikithie kwa wingi niguo nyumba ciarika megwatire uikaro. Thirikari irarogota ciringi bilioni 63 o mwaka kugerera igoti ria waki wa nyumba riria aruti a wira na andikani marengagwo na nicio igukinyaniria waki wa nyumba ici. Handu-ini Hakameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.
Press conference, yeah.